Hello friends, in previous video I had completed exercise 1.1 and you will get that video if you click the I button. Now here we'll start the exercise 1.2. In this exercise we'll find out the square root of a complex number. Now let us start. I will explain all the solved examples and all examples from the exercise 1.2. Now let us start. Consider z is equals to x plus iy be any complex number. Let root of x plus iy is equals to a plus ib, where a comma b belongs to set of real number. This is the square root of a complex number, given complex number. On squaring both sides, then you will get root sign will get cancelled, and then you will get x plus iy is equals to in bracket a plus ib bracket square. And if we expand this, then you will get here that is first is a square plus 2 times a b I plus here you will get I square and the b square. Again here this is the a square. I square means what? Minus 1, that is a minus b square plus 2 a b I. This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Therefore, you will get x plus iy is equals to in bracket a square minus b square plus 2abi. Equating real and imaginary parts, then you will get x is equals to a square minus b square and y is equals to 2ab. Solving these simultaneously, we can get the values of a and b. Okay, that is you will get the root of this complex number x plus iy that is equals to a plus ib. म्हणजे या कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरचा जर रूट फाइंड आउट केला तर तुम्हाला a plus ib means what? या गिवन कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर that is z is equals to I x plus iy याचं काय मिळेल तर तुम्हाला रूट मिळेल. Now the examples. Find the square root of 6 plus 8i. Let root of 6 plus 8i is equals to a plus ib, where a comma b belongs to set of real number. Again same thing here, the squaring on both sides, then you will get here 6 plus 8i is equals to a plus ib bracket square. पुन्हा इथे जर आपण एक्सपान्शन केलं, then you will get again a square plus I square and b square, and here again the middle term, what is that? 2 abi. But what is the ib square? I square b square, it's a minus b square, that is in bracket you will get a square minus b square हा रियल पार्ट असेल आणि हा 2abi हा imaginary part असेल. Again here equating the real and imaginary part, you will get here 6 is equals to a square minus b square. This is the first equation. दुसरं इक्वेशन काय मिळेल की 2abi is equals to 8i. That is here 2abi is equals to 8i. I get cancelled on both sides. It means that here you will get a b is equals to 8. That is ab is equals to 4. Okay. Therefore, AB is equals to 4. Next, what is the value of A? A is equals to B by 4, and this is equation number 2. Now, substitute the value of this A in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 becomes, इथे A ची value टाकणार आपण. 6 is equals to, what is the value of A? Is 4 upon, in bracket 4 upon B bracket square minus B square. Then what is it's a square? 16 upon B square minus B square. Multiply on both sides by b square. Okay, त्याला जर आपण b square ने multiply केला, then here you will get 6b square is equals to 16 minus b square into b square, you will get b raised to 4. आणि हेच quadratic equation आपल्याला या प्रकारे लिहिता येईल, b raised to 4 plus 6b square minus 16, and that is equals to 0. Okay. Now here b square म्हणजे काय? तर b square आणि it's a bracket square. Put b square is equals to m. Then you will get the quadratic equation m square plus 6m minus 16. Okay. Now the product of first term and last term, that is you will get minus 16m square. मग त्या quadratic equation चे factors किती? तर m square plus here is a 8m minus 2m minus 16, and that's equals to 0. You can take common as a m common, then in bracket you will get m plus 8, and from here minus 2 common, then in bracket you will get m plus 8, and this equals to 0. Therefore m plus 8 in here, that is m plus 8 in another bracket m minus 2, and that is equals to 0. Therefore m plus 8 is equals to 0. Okay, m plus 8 is equals to 0, or m minus 2 is equals to 0. Here you will get m is equals to minus 8, or m is equals to 2. Okay, but what is the m means what? B square. B square is equals to minus 8, or b square is equals to 2. The square of any number, real number, is always positive. Therefore, b square is equals to minus 8 is not possible. Deny possible. Therefore, b square is equals to 2. Therefore, taking the square root on both sides, b is equals to plus or minus root 2. If we take b is equals to root 2, then what is a is equals to? A ची value काय? A is equals to 4 upon b. Substitute its a value. A is equals to 4 upon b. B is a root 2. Root 2 get cancelled. Okay, and here therefore A is equals to b upon 4. Substitute the value of b. B is a root 2, and here root 2 इथे काय होणार? कट होणार, and therefore the value of a is a 2 root 2. Okay, now therefore the root of, that is the square root of 6 plus 8i is equals to a plus ib. What is a? A is a 2 root 2, and b is the value of a is a 2 root 2, and the value of b is a root 2. Okay, या दोघांतून पुन्हा आपल्याला root 2 कॉमन काढता येईल. Therefore root 2 in bracket 2 plus I, and hence the square root of 6 plus 8i is equals to root 2 in bracket 2 plus I. हा पहिला root आला when the value of b is equals to plus root 2. Now suppose that b is equals to minus root 2. Okay, then you will get the value of a. म्हणजे या ठिकाणी आपण इथे पुन्हा व्हॅल्यू टाकणार. What is that a? A is equals to 4 upon b. Okay, and 4 can be written as 2 into 2. That is again one more 2 is a root 2 into root 2. Value of b is a minus root 2. हे दोन्ही काय होणार? या ठिकाणी कट होणार. Therefore you will get a is equals to minus 2 root 2, the value of a. Okay, when b is equals to minus root 2, a is also minus 2 times root 2, and therefore the root of 6 plus 8i is equals to a plus ib means what? Minus 2 root 2 and minus root 2i. Okay, या दोघांतून पुन्हा आपल्याला काय कॉमन काढता येईल? The root 2 minus root 2 is common. Then in bracket you will get 2 plus I, and hence the square root of 6 plus 8i is equals to plus or minus root 2 in bracket 2 plus I. Okay, हे दोन्ही आपल्याला या ठिकाणी एकत्र करता येते. This is the plus or minus. So, square root of this 6 plus 8i means what? Root 2 in bracket 2 plus I. इथे किती आले? Minus. Can combine it. This is the square root of the complex number. Now the next question. Find the square root of 3 minus 4i. Again, let the square root of 3 minus 4i is equals to a plus ib, where a comma b belongs to set of real number. Again, on squaring both sides, then we will get, that is the 3 minus 4i is equals to a plus ib bracket square. पुन्हा हे आपण काय करणार? तर एक्सपान्शन करणार. फर्स्ट टर्म a square plus 2ab I plus I square and b square. Okay, and here you will get I square means what? Minus 1. Therefore the real part is a square minus b square plus 2abi. Okay, या प्रकारे therefore a square minus b square हा रियल पार्ट असणार आहे, plus 2b 2abi, equating the real and imaginary part. That is a square minus b square is equals to 3, and 2 times ab is equals to minus 4. Okay, and here we will find out the value of a and b by another method. What is that method? I will express a square plus b square bracket square in terms of a square minus b square bracket square. Okay, how it is? तर ते कसं लिहिणार? I will write here a square plus b square and its a whole square is equals to, what is that? A raised to 4 plus 2 times a square b square, okay, plus b raised to 4. Okay, again this can be written as a raised to 4 minus, note this step, 2 times a square b square plus b raised to 4. आपलं मिडल टर्म काय होतं? तर प्लस होतं, आपण इथे मायनस घेतलेलं आहे. अगेन here is our term, that is a 2 times a square b square. आपण इथे घेताना काय घेतलंय की मायनस 2 times a square b square. त्याला बॅलन्स करण्यासाठी आपण इथे काय करणार? प्लस 2 times a square आणि b square. If we evaluate this, then you will get our original term. Okay, why we are doing this? We are finding the value of a square plus b square. Okay, next see this here. Now this is a perfect square. हा perfect square आहे कोणाचा? a square minus b square bracket square. Okay, plus 4 times a square b square. या दोघांची आपण इथे टोटल केली. Okay, now what is the value of a square minus b square? The value of a square minus b square is, here is a 3 and it's a bracket square, plus 4. The value of AB. What is the value of AB? That is AB is equals to 2 times AB is equals to minus 4. It means that here AB is equals to minus 2. Okay, and here I will write here minus 2. It's a bracket square. A square b square means what? AB bracket square means what? Minus 2 bracket square. And overall here you will get 3 square means what? 9. Okay, and 2 square means what? 4. 4 into 4. You will get 16, and that is equals to 25. That is equals to 5 square. Therefore, a square plus b square bracket square is equals to 5 square. हेच आपण इथे लिहिलेलं आहे. What is that? We have expressed a square plus b square bracket square in terms of a square minus b square bracket square. या भाषेत आपण ते लिहिलेलं आहे. And hence you are getting a square plus b square bracket square is equals to 5 square. If we take the square root on both sides, then you will get here a square plus b square and that is equals to 5. आपण इथे प्लस और मायनस घेत नाही का? हे दोन्ही टर्म्स कशा आहेत? तर स्क्वेअर्स टर्म्स आहेत. वेअर a, b बिलॉंग्स टू सेट ऑफ रियल नंबर, आणि हा पॉझिटिव्ह असणार, हे पण पॉझिटिव्ह असणार आहे, and therefore their sum is also positive, and that's why we are not taking the minus option here. Therefore the value of a square plus b square is equals to 5, and the value of a square minus b square आपण just find out केले यापूर्वीच इथे. What is that? a square minus b square is equals to 3. Okay, आता हे दोन्ही सॉल्व करणार. If we add these two means what? a square plus b square that is equals to 5, आणि दुसरी व्हॅल्यू काय? तर a square minus b square is equals to 3. If we add this, then what you will get? Plus b square minus b square get cancelled. You will get 2 times a square is equals to 8. Therefore, a square is equals to 4. Okay, a square is equals to 4. Taking the square root on both sides, a is equals to plus or minus 2. If we take a is equals to plus 2, but what is a b? B is equals to, here b is equals to minus 4 upon 2a. b is equals to minus 4 upon 2a. Substitute the value of a. 2 into 2, that is a 4. 4 upon minus 4 upon 4, and that's you will get minus 1. Okay, when a is equals to minus 2, again b is equals to minus 4 upon 2a. Substitute the value of a, which is the minus 2. Again here minus 4 upon minus 4, you will get plus 1. Okay, and in this way, when a is equals to, what's here? When a is equals to 2, then the value of b, that is equals to minus 1. And when a is equals to minus 2, then you are getting b is equals to 1. Therefore, the roots of complex number in first case is a 2 minus I. In second case, you will get minus 2 plus I. And therefore, the root of 3 minus 4I is equals to 2 minus I or minus 2 plus I या प्रकारे. Okay. हे तुम्हाला ते find out करायचं आहे. Substitute the value of A and B. Now the next fundamental theorem of algebra. A polynomial equation with real coefficient has at least one root in C, that is in complex number, or the polynomial equation with complex coefficient and of degree n has n complex root. Okay. Now the solution of a quadratic equation in complex number system. Let the given equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where abc belongs to set of real number and a is not equals to 0. आपल्याला 10th स्टँडर्ड मध्ये तुम्ही या टाइपचा फॉर्म्युला लर्न केलेला आहे. x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Hence, the roots of the equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, are minus b plus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a and minus b minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, the expression b square minus 4ac, that is equals to capital D, is called the discriminant. If d is a less than 0, means it is a negative, then the roots of given quadratic equation are complex. Note that if p plus iq is the root of equation ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where abc belongs to set of real number a is not equals to 0, then p minus iq is also solution of the given equation. Thus, the roots occur in conjugate pair. Okay, जे काही रूट्स मिळतील ते तुम्हाला कसे मिळतील तर ते कॉन्जुगेट पेअर मध्ये मिळतील. Now the solve the equation x square plus x plus 1, that's equals to 0. Given equation x square plus x plus 1 is equals to 0. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. The value of a is 1, b is 1, c is 1. Okay. Now what is the formula? X is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Substitute the value. What is the b? b ची value किती तर 1 आहे. Therefore it is a minus 1 plus or minus in root of the value of b square minus 4ac. Okay. b square आपण इथे ती value calculate करू. b square minus 4ac. The value of b is 1. It's a 1 square minus 4 a is 1 and c is also 1. And hence you will get 1 minus 4 and that is equals to minus 3. And therefore, the value of b square minus 4ac, that is equals to minus 3. Okay, it is root of minus 3. Puna here root of minus 3 means what? Again, here it is the complex number. Root of minus 3 means what? In root of 3 into minus 1, but minus 1 means what? I square, that is a 3 I square, and then you will get root 3I in this way. Therefore, minus 1 plus or minus root 3I upon 2. एकदा प्लस घेणार आणि एकदा मायनस घेणार. Therefore, the roots are minus 1 plus root 3I upon 2 and minus 1 minus root 3I upon 2. Okay. Now the next. Solve x square minus 2 root 3 plus 3I bracket complete into x plus 6 root 3I, that's equals to 0. Okay. The given equation, the method of finding the roots of ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0 is applicable if a, b, c are the complex numbers where here the value of a is 1, okay, b is equals to minus 2 root 3 plus 3i bracket complete. C is equals to 6 root 3i. Okay. Therefore, we will find out the value of b square minus 4ac ची value find out करणार. What is the b? Minus in bracket 2 root 3 plus 3i. Okay, it's a bracket square. Minus 4ac, 4, a is 1 and c is a 6 root 3i. Okay. आता याचा होल स्क्वेअर करणार. ओके. मायनसचा स्क्वेअर केला इथं तो किती येणार तर तो प्लस येणार. The square is in this manner. The 2 root 3 plus 3i. It's a bracket square. Okay. 2 root 3. 2 root 3 bracket square plus 2 times 2 root 3 into 3i plus 3i bracket square. Okay. 2 root 3 that's a square करणार. The square of 2 is 4. Root 3 चा किती आला तर 3 आला. 4 into 3 then you will get 12 here. Okay. Next multiplication. 2 into 2 that is 4. Next 4 into 3 12. 12 root 3 I. Here is a 12 root 3 I. Okay. Next 3i bracket square. 3 चा square किती आला? It's a minus 9. Okay. That is first is a 9 into I square. Okay. म्हणजेच overall किती येणार? That is a 12 plus 12 root 3i. I square is a minus 1 and overall you will get minus 9. 12 minus 9. Therefore you will get here 3 plus 12 root 3i. This is the square of 2 root 3 plus 3i bracket square. So that's a square ala. Okay. And now the next. Minus 4 into 1 into 6 root 3i. याचा product तयार करणार. 4 into 6 that is a 24 root 3i. Okay. Now next 12 minus 9 means what? You will get here 3 and 12 root 3i minus 24 root 3i you will get minus 12 root 3i. पण या दोघांतनं common काय काढणार? You will take the common as a 3. Then in bracket you will get 1 minus 4 root 3i. Okay. So the given equation has the complex roots. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b. Okay. But what is the value of b? b is a minus in bracket 2 root 3 plus 3i. And the minus minus इथे काय झालं तर plus झालं. Plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac. But what is the value of b square minus 4ac? That is a 3 in bracket 1 minus 4 root 3i upon 2. Now the next we will find out the square root of 3 into in bracket 1 minus 4 root 3i. या 3 चा square root आपल्याला मिळेल. That is a root 3. Now we will find out the root of 1 minus 4 root 3i. We will find out the root of 1 minus 4 root 3i. And that is equals to a plus ib. Squaring on both sides. A plus ib. Okay. ते किती मिळणार आपल्याला? A plus ib. It's a bracket square. And then the square of this 1 minus 4 root 3i. You will get 1 minus 4 root 3i. Expansion करना. What is that expansion? A square plus 2abi plus I square b square and that is equals to 1 minus 4 root 3i. But what is the I square b square? I square is minus 1 and therefore you will get a square minus b square plus 2abi and that is equals to 1 minus 4 root 3i. पुन्हा इथे काय करणार? Equating the real and the imaginary part from the both sides. The value of a square minus b square that is equals to 1 and the value of 2abi is equals to minus 4 root 3i. Okay. पुन्हा इथला 2 cut होणार. Then you will get ab is equals to minus 2 times root 3. Again here we have the value of a square minus b square is equals to 1. पुन्हा आपण काय कसली व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करणार? a square plus b square. पुन्हा मगाशी आपण जसं एक्सप्रेशन केलं होतं आधीच्या प्रॉब्लेम साठी. व्हॉट इज दॅट? फाइंड आउट द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ a square plus b square in terms of a minus b bracket square. Therefore a square plus b square bracket square is equals to a square minus b square bracket square plus 4 times a square into b square. And similarly here we will find out तोच फॉर्म्युला आपण इथे या ठिकाणी अप्लाय करणार. the value of a square plus b square bracket square is equals to a square minus b square bracket square plus 4 times a square into b square. Okay, what is the value of a square plus b square? A square minus b square, that is the 1. 1 square इथे 1 मिळाला आपल्याला. 4 into a square into b square, the value of a square into b square. मग याचा काय करणार तर स्क्वेअर करणार. what is ab? ab is equals to minus 2 root 3. पुन्हा याचा जर स्क्वेअर करायचा असेल then you will get a square b square and that is equals to minus 2 root 3, it's a bracket square. 2 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला तर 4, root 3 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला 3, and then here you will get 4 into 3 12, and therefore 4 times a square into b square means what? The value of a square b square is a 12, but it is a 4 times. Okay, and hence you will get here 1 plus 4 into 12, that is a 48. 48 plus 1, then you will get here 49, and hence the value of a square plus b square bracket square is equals to 49. Again we will take the पुन्हा दोन्ही साइडला स्क्वेअर रूट घेणार आपण. therefore a square plus b square is equals to 7. पुन्हा इथे देखील 7 च्या प्लस और मायनस नाही घेणार का? because a b are the real numbers. if you take their squares then you will get again the positive number. पुन्हा हे दोन्ही इक्वेशन आपण सॉल्व करणार. the value of a square plus b square is 7, आणि आधी आपल्याला a square minus b square किती आला तर 1 आलेला आहे. if you add these two equation then you will get 2 times a square is equals to 7 plus 1, that is equals to 8, and therefore a square is equals to 8 upon 2, then you will get 4. Okay, a square. Now what is the value of b square? B square is equals to then 3. Okay, there using this equation, that is a square plus b square is equals to 7. The value of a square is 4. 4 plus b square is equals to 7. Therefore b square is equals to 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. Therefore b square is equals to 3. This is the value of b. Therefore what is the value of b? B is equals to, we can take this square root on both sides. Therefore it is a plus or minus root 3. The value of b is the value of b. Okay, also we know that the ab is equals to minus 2 root 3. But instead of that आपण इथे काय a च्या व्हॅल्यूज काय तर a is equals to plus or minus 2 and b is equals to plus or minus root 3. परंतु ab कसा आहे तर ab मायनस आहे. मग इथे कोणकोणते ऑप्शन्स आपल्याला मिळतील? दॅट इज a is equals to 2 first, b is equals to only root 3. This is the first one, both are positive. Next a is equals to 2, b is equals to minus root 3. Next a is equals to minus 2, b is equals to, okay, b is equals to root 3, and the last a is minus 2 and b is equals to also minus root 3. Okay, आता आपल्याला काय दिलंय की ab is equals to minus 2 times root 3. हे केव्हा पॉसिबल आहे? It is possible only when a is equals to 2 and b is equals to minus root 3, and a is equals to minus 2 and b is equals to root 3. या दोन वेळेस आपल्याला ते पॉसिबल आहे. Okay, and therefore the option which are that fourth and fifth is only right. Okay, with this combination the condition ab is equals to minus 2 root 3 should also be satisfied. we can verify the values of AB given by 4 and 5 satisfy the condition. कुठली कंडिशन सॅटिस्फाय झाली पाहिजे की AB इज इक्वल्स टू -2√3 हे कुठे सॅटिस्फाय होतं की फोर्थला आणि फिफ्थला इथे सॅटिस्फाय होतं. फर्स्ट अँड सेकंडला या दोघांचा प्रॉडक्ट केला तर तो पॉझिटिव्ह मिळतोय. सिक्सला देखील मायनस मायनस मल्टिप्लिकेशन पॉझिटिव्ह होणार. बट हिअर प्लस अँड मायनस यू विल गेट मायनस. ओके, दॅट इज हिअर AB इज इक्वल्स टू both in both cases you will get AB is equals to -2√3. Okay, and hence we will take the two conditions, A is equals to 2 and B is equals to -√3. Second condition is that A is equals to -2 and B is equals to √3, and therefore the first root is 2 minus √3i. This is first one, and second is -2 plus √3i, and hence the root of आपण काय केलं होतं या ठिकाणी we are finding the root of 1 minus 4√3i, and hence the root of 1 minus 4√3i is equals to plus or minus 2 in bracket √3i bracket complete in this way. Therefore the roots are given by x is equals to 2√3 plus 3i plus or minus in root of 3 in bracket 1 minus 4√3i. आपण या ठिकाणी याची व्हॅल्यू किती हा तो √3 आला, and the root of this, okay, the root of this is a 2 minus √3i, 2 minus √3i, आणि इथे प्लस और मायनस आपण इथे कन्सिडरेशन केलेलं. ओके, नाउ वन्स एकदा आपण इथे प्लस घेणार इथे मायनस घेणार, and then simplify, that is a 2√3 plus 3i, √3 into 2, that is a 2√3, √3 into minus √3i, then you will get √3 into √3, then you will get 3i. Okay, yeah, that is a 2√3 plus 3i, 2√3 minus 3i upon 2. या बाजूला इथे देखील, that is here we will take the minus sign, 2√3 plus 3i, minus √3 ने 2 ला मल्टीप्लाय करणार, minus 2√3, minus ने या minus ला मल्टीप्लाय, that will become plus √3 into √3 i. Okay, that is a plus. Okay, 2√3 plus 3i minus 2√3. Okay, and here √3 into √3 you will get 3i. Okay, next here is a 2√3 plus and minus get cancelled, and here plus 3i minus 3i get cancelled. 2√3 plus 2√3 you will get 4√3 upon 2. Again, पुन्हा इथे simplification, 2 ones are and 2 twos are 4. Therefore you will get x is equals to 2√3, and what about here 3i plus 3i, you will get 6i upon 2. X is equals to 3i, and hence the root of this given quadratic equation, what is that? This is the longest one. The roots of this quadratic equation, that is x is equals to 2√3 and x is equals to 3i. Okay, biggest example आहे, त्यामध्ये भरपूर calculations आहे. Okay, now the next example. Find the value of x cubed minus x square plus 2x plus 10 when x is equals to 1 plus √3i. या पॉलिनॉमियलची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे when x is equals to 1 plus √3i. आपण इथे डिव्हिजन अल्गोरिदम वापरणार आहोत. ती अतिशय सोपी मेथड आहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पुस्तकात इथे थोडी वेगळी दिलेली असेल. x minus x is equals to 1 plus √3i, x minus 1 is equals to √3i, squaring on both sides, x minus 1 bracket square is equals to √3i bracket square, x minus 1 bracket square x square minus 2x plus 1, √3i bracket square, √3 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला 3i square, i square means what minus 1, x square minus 2x हा इथे plus 1 आहे. ओके, तो या बाजूला it will become minus. Okay, or you can write here, आपण one more steps इथे पुन्हा लिहिणार. What is that? X square minus 2x हा minus 4 left hand side ला आणणार, and that is plus 4 is equals to 0. इथे डिव्हिजन अल्गोरिदम या ठिकाणी आपण इथे वापरणार. ही सगळ्यात अतिशय सोपी मेथड आहे. ओके, नाउ सी दिस दी डिव्हिजन अल्गोरिदम. ज्या गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल आहे त्याला आपण, व्हॉट इज द गिवन पॉलिनॉमियल? x क्यूब minus x square plus 2x plus 10. या पॉलिनॉमियलला एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस 2x प्लस 4 ने डिवाइड करणार. नाउ कन्सिडर दी फर्स्ट टर्म एक्स क्यूब आहे. देन what term we should multiply to this x square, then and then you will get x cube. म्हणजे इथे आपल्याला x cube पाहिजे. या x square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला x cube मिळेल. That is x. Then x into x square, then you will get here x cube. X into minus 2x, then you will get minus 2x square. X into 4, then here you will get 4x. Okay, then we change the sign, the minus plus again minus. Plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus x square plus 2x square. Then here you will get x square. Okay, plus 2x minus 4x. Then here you will get minus 2x plus 10. Okay. पुन्हा इथे कसलं टर्म घेतलंय त्याने x square. इथे किती x square आहे. म्हणजे आपल्याला इथे x square मिळण्यासाठी we'll multiply to this x square by 1. Okay, we'll multiply here 1. Okay, therefore here you will get x square minus 2x and this 1 into 4. 1 into x square. 1 into minus 2x is minus 2x. 1 into 4, then here you will get 4. पुन्हा डिव्हिजन करताना आपण त्याचे साइन चेंज करणार. Here we will get minus plus and minus. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. Minus 2x plus 2x will get cancelled. 10 minus 4 you will get here 6. And this is the value of that polynomial. How it is? By the division algorithm. I will write here. By division algorithm. Okay, what is that? Dividend is equals to what is that? Divisor into quotient plus this is a remainder for. Okay, now dividend means what? This whole polynomial, which is the x raised to 3 minus x square plus 2x plus 10. Okay, what is the divisor? The divisor is x square minus 2x plus 4, x square minus 2x plus 4 into quotient. What is the quotient? X plus 1. This is the quotient, x plus 1. And what is the remainder? Remainder is 6. Okay. But what is the value of this? That is x square minus 2x plus 4. X square minus 2x plus 4. Its value is 0. Okay. This value आपण इथे 0 substitute करना. This equals to, now 0 into x plus 1 plus 6. Now this will be 0. 0 plus 6 overall you will get the value of the polynomial x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 10 is 6. ही पुस्तकात दिलेली मेथड आहे, परंतु मी ही डिव्हिजन अल्गोरिदमने सॉल्व केलेली आहे. ही अधिक त्यापेक्षा जास्त सोपी आहे आणि हीच मेथड आपण सर्व एक्झाम्पल्स साठी वापरणार आहोत. ओके, now the next example. Now the question number 4. If x is equals to minus 5 plus 2 in root of minus 4, find the value of x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 64. Okay. Now here x is equals to minus 5 plus 2 root of minus 4. Okay. Now here, see this here, x is equals to minus 5 plus 2 root of minus 4, and that is equals to minus 5 plus 2 root of minus 4, that is a 4 into Minus 4 means what? Minus 1. Okay. And it is a minus 5 plus 2 root of 4 I square minus 5 plus the root of 4i square is a 2i, that is a 2 into 2i. Okay, that is equals to minus 5 plus 4i, and therefore here you will get x is equals to minus 5 plus 4i. Again, this can be written as x minus 5 will become plus 5 if we take it to the left hand side. X plus 5 is equals to 4i. Squaring on both sides, then you will get x plus 5 bracket square is equals to 4i. That's a 5 square on it will become 16i square. आता याचा expansion x square plus 10x plus 25. 16i square means what? 16 into minus 1, and therefore here you will get x square plus 10x plus 25. 16 into minus 1, that is a minus 16. पुन्हा तो आपण left hand side ला आणणार, it will become plus 16, and that is equals to 0. Therefore x square plus 10x plus 41 is equals to 0. Okay, आणि इथे आपण division, here is a 10x. x square plus 10x plus 41 is equals to 0. इथे division algorithm वापरणार. Now here we will divide the polynomial. Okay, x raised to 4 plus 9 x cube plus 35 x square minus x plus 64 by x square plus 10x plus 41. Okay, now the first term is x raised to 4. To get the x raised to 4, we have to multiply this polynomial by x square, and therefore x square into x square, then you will get x raised to 4. X square into 10x, here you will get 10 x cube. X square into 41, here you will get 41 x square. पुन्हा इथे आता sign change करना. This is the minus and minus. Okay, plus x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 get cancelled. Here you will get minus x cube, 35x square minus 41x square. Then here you will get minus 6x square. आता पुढची टर्म as it is घेणार, minus x plus 64. Okay, next again the first term is x raised to minus 3. पुन्हा इथे x raised to minus 3 मिळण्यासाठी आपल्याला x square ने कशाला मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागणार, तर minus x ने. Therefore minus x into x square, then you will get here minus x cube, minus x into plus 10x, then here you will get minus 10x square. Okay, पुन्हा minus x plus 41, then here you will get minus 41x. Okay, now change the sign. Here the plus. Okay, plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus 6x square plus 10x square, you will get 4x square. Okay, minus x plus 41x, then here you will get 40x plus 64. Okay, पुन्हा इथे किती आहे, तर 4x square आहे, इथे x square आहे. To get the 4x square आपल्याला इथे कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करावं लागणार, तर 4 ने. Therefore here you will get 4 x square. 4 into 10, you will get 40x. 4 into 41, you will get 164. पुन्हा इथे डिव्हिजन करताना मायनस साइन चेंज करना. Okay, and hence the remainder is a minus 100. Okay, again by division algorithm. Division algorithm. Okay, what is that? First is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, that is R, and divisor is x square plus 10x plus 41. Okay, into quotient. What is the quotient? Quotient is x square minus x plus 4, x square minus x plus 4, and what is the remainder? Remainder is a minus 100. Okay, the value of divisor, that is x square plus 10x plus 41, is equals to 0. Therefore 0 into x square minus x plus 4 minus 100. Okay, and hence the 0 into this polynomial, that is 0. Hence the value of the polynomial is a minus 100. Okay, and this is the dividend is equals to. Okay, पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता. पुस्तकापेक्षा पण वेगळ्या प्रकारे ते सॉल्व्ह केलेलं आहे. Now we'll start the exercise 1.2. Now the first question, find the square root of the following complex number. First is minus 8 minus 6i. Let in root of minus 8 minus 6i is equals to x plus iy, where xy belongs to set of real number. On squaring on both sides, then you will get minus x minus 6i. X plus y as a bracket square होना. X plus iy bracket square means what? X square plus y square I square plus 2xyi, where now here the I square is minus 1. Therefore you will get here x square and I square means what? Minus 1. That is x square minus y square. This is the real part, and 2xyi, it is the imaginary part. Okay. Now equating the real and imaginary part, then here you will get x square minus y square is equals to minus 8. This is the first one. And second is 2xyi is equals to minus 6i. It means that 2xy is equals to minus 6, and hence if you simplify this, then you will get here xy, that is equals to minus 3, and hence the y is equals to minus 3 upon x. This is the first one. Substitute the value of this y in above equation, which is x square minus y square is equals to minus 8. या इक्वेशन मध्ये आपण त्याची व्हॅल्यू टाकणार. Therefore x square minus in bracket minus 3 upon x bracket square is equals to minus 8. Okay, आता याचा स्क्वेअर किती येणार? 9 upon x square. X square minus 9 upon x square is equals to minus 8. Multiply on both sides by x square. या इक्वेशनला आपण x square ने जर मल्टिप्लाइड केलं, then what you will get here? X square into the first is x square minus, what about the next? X square into 9 upon x square and equals to minus 8 into x square. This x square get cancelled. X square into x square, you will get x raised to 4 minus 9, and that is equals to minus 8x square. हा minus 8x square आपण left hand side ला आणणार, x raised to 4 plus 8x square minus 9. पुन्हा याचे हे quadratic equation आहे. The factors of these quadratic equations are x raised to 4 plus 9x square minus x square minus 9, and that is equals to 0. I will take the common from first two and the last two. The first common is x square in bracket. You will get x square plus 9 and take minus sign as a common. Then in bracket you will get x square plus 9 and that is equals to 0. पुन्हा या दोघांतनं काय common? x square plus 9, x square plus 9 common. What are the remaining terms? X square minus 1, and hence therefore here you will get x square plus 9 into x square minus 1, that is equals to 0. Again next, x square plus 9 is equals to 0. X square plus 9 is equals to 0. And what about the next? X square minus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore x square is equals to minus 9 and x square is equals to 1. Okay. The x square is equals to minus 9 is not possible because x is a real number. आणि कुठल्याही रिअल नंबरचा जर स्क्वेअर केला तर is a positive. Therefore x square is equals to minus 9 is not possible. Therefore x square is equals to 1. If you take the square root on both sides, then you will get x is equals to plus or minus 1. Okay. आता एकदा x ची व्हॅल्यू काय घेणार? तर plus 1. But what is the y? Y is equals to minus 3 upon x. इथे दिले बघा, y is equals to minus 3 upon x. Therefore we substitute here the value of x. X is 1. That is minus 3 upon 1. You will get y is equals to minus 3. म्हणून पहिला कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर किती मिळेल? That is x plus iy. It's a square root. You will get 1 minus 3i. This is the first one. What about the second? X is equals to minus 1. Y is equals to plus 3. And therefore, you will get again x plus iy. The value of x is minus 1 and y is 3. That is 3i. Now, पहिला किती आला था? That is 1 minus 3i. दूसरा किती आला? Minus 1 plus 3i. And hence the square root of minus 8 minus 6i is 1 minus 3i and minus 1 plus 3i. That is plus or minus 1 minus 3i. आधी plus the sign आपण इथे ऑपरेट केलं, then you will get 1 minus 3i. Minus sign जर ऑपरेट केलं तर minus 1 plus 3i. This is the minus 1 plus 3i. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा हे बघू शकताय. Okay. Now the next example. Now the second one, find the square root of the following complex number 7 plus 24i. Okay. Again 7 plus root of 7 plus 24i is equals to x plus iy, where x, y belongs to set of real number. Again squaring on both sides. दोन्ही साइड्सला जर स्क्वेअर केले तर स्क्वेअर and root sign will get cancelled. 7 plus 24i is equals to x plus iy, or yi bracket square is equals to x square plus y square I square plus 2xyi. पुन्हा या I square ची व्हॅल्यू किती आली? तर ती -1. Okay. Therefore, I will write here one more step. X square minus y square. The value of I square is -1 plus 2xyi. Okay. Now collect the real part. X square minus y square plus 2xyi. Equating the real and imaginary part. म्हणजे x square minus y square is equals to 7. And next imaginary part 2xy I is equals to 24i. I get cancelled and hence 24 is equals to 2xy. It means that xy is equals to 12. And therefore, what is the y is equals to 12 upon x. Substitute this value of y in this equation. X square minus y square is equals to 7 मध्ये टाकणार. ती y ची व्हॅल्यू, that x square minus 12 upon x bracket square is equals to 7. Therefore x square 12 upon x bracket square means what? 144 upon x square is equals to 7. Multiply on both sides by x square. Okay, याला x square ने आपण multiply करणार. Then what you will get? X square in bracket x square minus 144 upon x square is equals to 7 into x square. पुढे simplify करणार x square into x square, you will get x raised to 4. X square into 144 upon x square get cancelled. You will get 144 and that is equals to 7x square. पुन्हा 7x square आपण left hand side ला आणणार. X raised to 4 minus 7x square minus 144. पुन्हा हा split up करणार. What are the factors? That is the x raised to 4. What are the two numbers? आपण दोन numbers find out करणार की ज्याचा product किती येणार? minus 144x square. Then the numbers are minus 16 here x square, okay, plus 9 x square, and here is a minus 144 and that's equals to 0. Okay, पुन्हा या दोघांना common किती घेणार? The common is x square, then in bracket you will get x square minus 16, and here what is the common? Plus 9 is common. Then in bracket you will get x square minus 16, bracket complete, and that's equals to 0. Therefore x square minus 16 and x square minus 16, here is x square minus 16 into x square plus 9, and that's equals to 0. Okay, and hence the answer is x square minus 16. पुढे ते गेले काय येणार ते? x square minus 16 is equals to 0, or x square plus 9 is equals to 0. पुन्हा plus 9 पलीकडे जाणार. Okay, that is equals to minus 1. X square is equals to minus 1 and x square is equals to 16. But the square of any real number is positive. Therefore x square is equals to minus 9 is not possible. मग कुठली possible value असणार आहे? X square is equals to 16, taking the square root on both sides. Therefore you will get the value of x is equals to plus or minus 4. Again, what is the value of y? Y किती आहे? तर आपण इथे calculate केलं. Y is equals to 12 upon x. Therefore substitute the value of x here. X आपण इथे किती घेतला? plus 4 घेतलाय. Y is equals to 12 upon x. Substitute here 4. 4 ones are 1 and 4 threes are 12. Therefore y is equals to 3. Therefore the first root, that is x plus iy, is equals to the value of x is 4 and y is 3i in this way. Second, when x is equals to minus 4, that is 12 upon minus 4, you will get minus 3, and hence x plus iy, and that is equals to, okay, the value of x is minus 4 minus 3i. Okay, and therefore the roots with a plus sign and इथे काय आहे तर minus आहे. Therefore the square root of 7 plus 24i आहे. एकदा किती आलं? 4 plus 3i आणि नंतर किती आलं? minus 4 minus 3i, or plus or minus in bracket 4 plus 3i in this way. Okay, पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Now the question number 3. 1 plus 4 root 3i. Let in root of 1 plus 4 root 3i is equals to x plus yi, where xy belongs to set of real number. Again squaring on both sides. 1 plus 4 root 3i. इथे root and square sign will get cancelled. X plus yi bracket square. मग पुन्हा x square plus I square y square plus middle term, that is a 2 times xy into I. Again the value of I square is minus 1. Therefore x square minus y square. This is the real part. And 2xyi. Okay, this is the imaginary part. Again equating real and imaginary part. Then you will get here separately x square minus y square is equals to इथे किती येणार? 1 येणार. and 2xy is equals to 4 root 3. पुन्हा इथे 2 काय होणार, दोन्ही साईडला कट होणार, and hence here you will get xy is equals to 2 root 3. xy is equals to 2 root 3. But what is the value of y? Y is equals to 2 root 3 upon x. Y is equals to 2 root 3 upon x. Substitute the value of this y in this equation. X square minus 2 root 3 upon x whole bracket square, that is equals to 1. पुन्हा येतात तिथे काय करणार, स्क्वेअर करणार. x square 2 root 3 चा स्क्वेअर, 2 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला, तर 4. root 3 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला, 3, and this divided by x square. Okay, and therefore you will get x square minus 4 into 3, 12 upon x square, that is equals to 1. Again multiply on both sides by x square. याला x square ने multiply करणार. x square into x square, you will get x raised to 4. पुढे याला देखील x square ने जर multiply केलं, then here what will happen, x square into 12 upon x square, then this x square will cancel, and to the right hand side 1 into x square, you will get x square. Therefore the equation is x square minus 12 is equals to x square. या प्रकारे पुन्हा हा x square आपण लेफ्ट हँड साइडला जाऊ देणार, तो मायनस होणार. नाउ दिस इज अगेन द क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. ओके, फर्स्ट टर्म लास्ट टर्म मल्टिप्लिकेशन किती आहे, that is a minus 12x raised to 4. Okay, and what about the middle term? Middle term is minus x square. Okay, what are the two terms? The minus 4, here is a minus 4x square and plus 3x square. Minus 4x square into plus 3x square, you will get minus 12x raised to 4. And यांचा algebraic sum किती येणार, तर minus x square. And therefore the factors are किती येणार ते, the factors are like this. I will write here x raised to 4 minus 4x square plus 3x square minus 12, and that's equals to 0. Again we'll take the common from these two. X raised to 2 is common, then in bracket you will get x square minus 4, and next 3 in bracket x square minus 4 bracket complete, and that's equals to 0. X square minus 4, x square minus 4. Okay, x square minus 4 in first bracket, and second bracket is x square plus 3 bracket complete, and that's equals to 0. Therefore x square minus 4 into x square plus 3 is equals to 0, and hence x square minus 4 is equals to 0. Okay, this is the first one, and second x square plus 3 is equals to 0, means what, x square is equals to minus 3. Okay, now x is a real number, therefore x square is not equals to minus 3. मग कुठली व्हॅल्यू असणार x square ची, x square is equals to 4, taking the square root on both sides. Okay, therefore if we take the find out the square root, then you will get x is equals to plus or minus 2. Take the x is equals to 2 घेणार, then what is y? Y is equals to 2 root 3 upon x. Substitute the value of this x. Okay, then you will get here 2 get cancelled. Y is equals to root 3. X is equals to 2, and y is equals to root 3. Therefore the first root is a 2 plus root 3i. Okay, now what about the second? When x is equals to minus 2, substitute the value of x is equals to minus 2. This get cancelled, and again x plus iy, that is equals to minus 2. Okay, again minus here the root 3i. Okay, therefore x plus iy is equals to minus 2 minus root 3i. Okay, therefore the roots of this equation, first is 2 plus root 3i, second is minus 2 minus root 3i. We combine it, or so separate are 1 plus 4 root 3i. The square root of 1 plus 4 root 3i is 2 plus root 3i and minus 2 minus root 3i. If we combine it, then you will get plus or minus in bracket 2 plus root 3i. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता. Okay, now the next problem. Now the next is find the square root of the complex number 3 plus 2 root 10i. Okay, let now the square root of this complex number is let in root of 3 plus 2 root of 10i is equals to x plus yi, where xy belongs to set of real number. On squaring both sides, then you will get इथे root and square sign will get cancelled. Then you will get 3 plus 2 root of 10i is equals to x plus yi bracket square. पुन्हा expansion करना x square plus y square I square plus 2xyi. But what is the value of I square? I square is a minus 1, and hence you will get x square minus y square plus 2xyi. Okay, and collect the real part, that is x square minus y square plus 2xyi. Okay, equating real and imaginary parts separately, then you will get x square minus y square is equals to 3 and 2xy is equals to 2 root 10. Okay, I get cancelled from the both sides. Therefore again 2xy is equals to 2 root 10. Okay, here 2 will get cancelled. Okay, and therefore y is equals to root 10 upon x. Okay, substitute the value of this y in this equation. X square minus y square is equals to 3. That is x square minus root of 10 upon x bracket square is equals to 3. Okay, now the squaring on the square of the root of 10 upon x, that's a square किती येणार, that is a 10 upon x square, that is equals to 3. Multiply on both sides by again x square. याला x square ने multiply केला, then it will become x raised to 4. 10 upon x square into x square, then you will get 10. 3 into x square, then you will get 3x square. हे simplify केला था. Okay, therefore x raised to 4 minus 10 is equals to 3x square. That is multiplying on both sides by x square. पुन्हा quadratic equation x raised to 4 minus 3x square minus 10 and that's equals to 0. पुन्हा या quadratic equation चे factors किती येणार, x raised to 4 minus 5x square plus 2x square minus 10 and that is equals to 0. पुन्हा दोघांना आपण कॉमन घेणार, which is x square in bracket x square minus 5 plus 2 in bracket x square minus 5 and that's equals to 0. Therefore x square minus 5 पहिला first bracket, in second bracket x square plus 2. Okay, again x square minus 5 is equals to 0 and x square plus 2 is equals to 0. Therefore x square is equals to 5 and x square is equals to minus 2. Again the square of real number is not negative, therefore x square is not equals to minus 2. This is not possible, therefore x is equals to 5. If you take the square root on both sides, then you will get x is equals to plus or minus root of 5. पहिल्यांदा x is equals to root 5 घेणार, but what is y? Y is equals to root 10 upon x. Substitute the value of here x. Okay, x value root 5. Root 10 can be written as root of 2 into 5. Root of 2 into 5 can be written as root 5 into root 2. Root 5 इथे काय झाला, कट झाला. Y is equals to root 2 and hence you will get the first complex number, that is a x plus yi is equals to root 5 plus y is a root 2 into I. This is the first one. What about the second? When x is equals to minus root 5, again y is equals to root 10 upon x. Therefore root 10 can be written as in root of 2 into 5. Root 5 into root 2. Root 5 get cancelled. You will get y is equals to minus root 2 and therefore the second root is x plus iy, and that is equals to minus root of 5, okay, minus root 2 minus root 2 r. Okay, एकदा प्लस मिळालं आपल्याला, एकदा मायनस मिळाले, and if we combine it, therefore the roots of 3 plus 2 root 10i is equals to er root 5 plus root 2i and minus root 5 minus root 2i. Therefore plus or minus in bracket root 5 plus root 2i. These are the roots. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा इथे बघू शकता. Now the fifth one. 2 in bracket 1 minus root 3i. Therefore root of 2 in bracket 1 minus root 3i is equals to x plus yi, where x and y belongs to set of real number. Okay. On squaring both sides, a root sign and square sign will get cancelled, and therefore you will get 2 in bracket 1 minus root 3i is equals to x plus yi bracket square. पुन्हा expansion करणार, x square plus y square I square plus 2xyi. I square ची value किती तर -1. Therefore you will get the real part x square minus y square plus 2xyi. It's the imaginary part. Again equating the real and imaginary part. Real part मध्ये काय आला, x square minus y square is equals to 2, and imaginary part, that is yi get cancelled from on both sides. 2 also get cancelled, and therefore you will get xy is equals to minus root 3. Okay, and therefore y is equals to minus root 3 upon x. Substitute the value of this y in this equation, then you will get x square minus root 3 upon x bracket square is equals to 2. Again simplification, minus root 3 upon x bracket square means what, 3 upon x square is equals to 2. Multiply on both sides by x square, याला x square ने multiply करना, x square into x square, you will get x raised to 4. X square into 3 upon x square, you will again x square get cancelled, you will get only minus 3 here. 2 into x square, you will get 2x square. पुन्हा हा 2x square left hand side ला जाऊ देना. X square minus 2x square minus 3 is equals to 0. Again, what are the factors? The factors are here x square minus 3x square. Next is a plus x square minus 3, and that is equals to 0. Here x raised to 4. Okay, by mistake. I will write again. X raised to 4 minus 3 x square plus x square minus 3 is equals to 0. The common from these two, x square is common, then in bracket you will get x square minus 3. Again 1 is common, in bracket x square minus 3, and that's equals to 0. Therefore x square minus 3 in first bracket. In second bracket x square plus 1, that is equals to 0. X square minus 3 is equals to 0, and x square plus 1 is equals to 0. X square is equals to 3 and x square is equals to minus 1. But the square of again real number is not negative, and therefore x square is not equals to minus 1. मग काय possible है? X square is equals to 3. Taking the square root on both sides, you will get x is equals to plus or minus root 3. पुन्हा एकदा x is equals to plus root 3 घेणार. But what is the y is equals to? Y is equals to minus root 3 upon x. Okay. Substitute the value of this x. It's a minus, it's root 3. Minus root 3 upon root 3 get cancelled, you will get y is equals to 1. Therefore the first root, what is the first root? X is equals to root 3, x plus iy. X किती आहे तर root 3 and y is minus 1 means what? Minus I, and it is given here. What is it? Next is x is equals to minus root 3, y is equals to minus root 3 upon x, and the value of x is minus root 3. Minus minus will become plus, y is equals to 1, x is equals to minus root 3, and hence the roots are x plus yi is, the x is minus root 3, y is 1, that is I, and hence the roots of square root of 2 in bracket 1 minus root 3 I are root 3 minus I and minus root 3 plus I, that is plus or minus root 3 minus 1. In this way, we have completed the first question. Now we start the question number 2. Now the question number 2. Solve the following quadratic equation. First question. At x square plus 2x plus 1, that's equals to 0. Okay. Comparing the equation at x square plus 2x plus 1 is equals to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. We have a is equals to 8, b is equals to 2, c is equals to 1. Now the value of b square minus 4ac. b is 2, 2 square minus 4 into 8 into 1. Therefore, you will get 4 minus 32, that is minus 28, which is negative. So, the given equation has a complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay, and now we'll substitute the values again. That is minus b means what? 2 plus or minus in root of 28. Now again it can be written as like this. That is a minus root of 28. Okay, see this here. Minus root of 28 can be written as root of 28 into in bracket minus 1. But minus 1 means what? I square. And 28 means what? 4 into 7. Minus 1 means what? I square. Okay. And if you find out it's a square root, then you will get square root of 4 is to root of 7. Okay. And I. And therefore the value of root of minus 28 is a 2 root 7i. Okay. Therefore x is equals to minus b plus or minus root of minus 28 is a 2 root of 7i. Okay. Now you can take here as a 2 as a common. Then what will happen? There is a, if we take 2 as a common, then in bracket minus 1 plus or minus root of 7i, and this whole divided by 2. 2 into 8 means what? It is a 16. Okay. इथे किती असतील तर ते 16 असतील. Then 2 ones are 1 and 2 8s are 16. And therefore here you will get minus 1 plus or minus root of 7i upon 8. Okay. Therefore the roots are x is equals to minus 1 plus root 7i upon 8 and minus 1 minus root 7i upon 8. These are the roots. Okay. Now the next example. 2x square minus root 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Again same, comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Value of a is 2, b is minus root 3, c is 1. b square minus 4 is c. That is a minus root 3 bracket square minus 4 a c. The value of a is 2, c is 1. Okay, minus root 3 square is 3. 4 into 2, 8. 3 minus 8, that is equals to minus 5. Okay, here you will get minus 5. And this is less than 0. So the given equation has complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac. The value of b is minus root 3. Therefore, it will become minus and minus, that will become plus. Okay, minus in bracket minus, here is a root 3 plus or minus, what is the value of b square minus 4ac? It is a minus 5. Okay, and therefore we will write here root of minus 5 upon 2a. The value of a is 2 in bracket 2 here. Okay, Therefore, here you will get root 3 plus or minus. Okay. In root of minus 1 means what? 5 into bracket minus 1 and this whole divided by 2 into 2, 4. Okay. And therefore, here is a root 3 plus or minus. Again, minus 1 means what? I square. Therefore, we will get here root of 5 into I square and this divided by 4. Okay. And therefore, x is equals to root 3 plus or minus root 5 square root of I square is I upon 4. And hence, the roots of the equations are root 3 plus root 5 into I upon 4 and root 3 minus root 5 into I upon 4. These are the roots. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकताय. Now the next question. Solve the following quadratic equation. 3x square minus 7x plus 5 is equals to 0. Again comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 3, b is minus 7, c is equals to 5. The value of b square minus 4ac, that is minus 7 square minus 4 into 3 into 5. And hence it is a minus 7 square is 49. यांचं multiplication किती येणार? 4 into 3 12, 12 into 5 60. 49 minus 60 minus 11, which is the negative. So the given equation has complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. A is 3, b is minus 7, c is 5. Therefore, x is equals to minus in bracket minus 7 plus or minus in root of minus 11 upon 2 into 3, that is a 6. Okay, here minus minus क्या होना? The plus होना. Again the root of minus 11. Okay, root of minus 11 can be written as 11 in bracket minus 1. Okay, and here is a 11 minus 1 means what? I square. And if you find out it's a square root, then you will get 11 into I. Okay. Therefore, the roots of this equation x is equals to 7 plus or minus. ये minus minus क्या होना करते plus होना. 7 plus or minus in root of 11 I upon 6. Therefore, the roots of these equations are x is equals to 7 plus root of 11 into I upon 6 and 7 minus root of 11 I upon 6. Okay. Now the fourth one. Again solve this quadratic equation. X square minus 4x plus 13. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 1, b is minus 4, c is 13. B square minus 4ac. The value of b is minus 4. A is 1, c is 13. 16 minus 52, then you will get minus 36, which is less than 0. So the given equation has the complex roots. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. A is 1, b is minus 4, c is 13. Substitute the values. b किती येतं minus 4 आहे. Minus in bracket minus 4 plus or minus in root of minus 36. Again, minus 36 can be written as, I will write again here. Minus 36 means what? 36 in bracket minus 1. Again, minus 1 means what? I square. Okay. This minus and minus that will become plus. Root of 36i square means what? 6i. Okay. 4 plus or minus 6i upon 2. Okay, दोघातनं पुन्हा 2 common करणार. This 2 will get cancelled and therefore you will get x is equals to 2 plus or minus 3i and hence the root of the equations are x is equals to 2 plus 3i and 2 minus 3i. Okay. पुन्हा बघू शकता तुम्ही. Now the next question. Solve the following quadratic equation. X square plus 3ix plus 10 is equals to 0. Okay. Again comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 1, b is 3i, c is 10, b square minus 4ac. This is negative quantity. Okay. 3i square means what? 9i square. 4 into 1 into 10 minus 40. I square means what? Minus 1. Minus 1 into 9 minus 9 minus 40 minus 49, which is the negative. So the equation has the complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in the root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b is minus 3i plus or minus in the root of minus 49 upon 2 into 1. Okay. Again, root of minus 49 can be written as 49 in bracket minus 1. Okay. Therefore, 49 into, here is I square, and its square root is a 7i. Okay. एकदा प्लस घेणार आणि एकदा मायनस. x is equals to minus 3i plus 7i upon 2. x is equals to minus 3i minus 7i upon 2. Therefore, minus 3i plus 7i means what? 4i upon 2. And x is equals to minus 10i upon 2. X is equals to 2i and x is equals to minus 5i. That is a minus 10i upon 2. You will get minus 5i. And hence the root of the equations are 2i and minus 5i. Okay. Now इथे बघू शकता तुम्ही. Now the next, 2x square plus 3ix plus 2 is equals to 0, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 2, b is 3i, c is 2. b square minus 4ac, b is 3i bracket square minus 4 into 2 into 2, that is you will get 16. 3i bracket square means what? 9i square. I square means what? Minus 1. Minus 9 minus 16, you will get minus 25, which is less than 0. Okay. Therefore, the equation has complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. b is minus 3i plus or minus in root of minus 25. Okay. Again, the value of minus 25. Minus 25 can be written as 25 into minus 1. That is nothing but 25 into I square. That is equals to 5i. Okay. And therefore root of minus 25 means what? 5i. पुन्हा एकदा प्लस घेणार आणि एकदा मायनस. x is equals to minus 3i plus 5i upon 4. x is equals to minus 3i minus 5i upon 4. Minus 3i plus 5i. Then you will get 2i upon 4. Okay, that is equals to I upon 2. And x is equals to minus 8i. Minus 3i minus 5i minus 8i upon 4. Therefore you will get minus 2i. Hence the roots of the equation are I by 2 and minus 2i. Okay. पुन्हा एकदा तुम्ही हे बघू शकता. Okay. Now the next problem, x square plus 4ix minus 4, comparing with x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 1, b is 4i, c is minus 4. b square minus 4ac, b is 4i bracket square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4. Okay. 4i square means what? 16i square. And here is a 16. 16i square means what? Minus 16 plus 16, that's equals to 0. Okay. So the equation has complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What is b? b is 4i. Okay. Therefore, it is a minus 4i plus or minus 0 upon 2 into 1. Minus 4i upon 2 into 1, that is a 2. Therefore, x is equals to minus 4i upon 2, x is equals to minus 2i. And hence, the roots of the equation are minus 2i. Okay. पुन्हा एकदा बघू शकता. Easy questions आहेत सर्व. Now the fourth problem, I square minus 4x minus 4i and that's equals to 0. आता सर्वप्रथम इथे whole equation ला आपण I ने मल्टिप्लाइड करूया. Multiply on both sides by I, that is I in bracket I square minus 4x minus 4i is equals to 0. I into I square into x square, and then I into minus 4x minus 4xi, I into minus 4i, that is a minus 4i square, that's equals to 0. I square means what? Minus 1. 4xi. I square means what? Again minus 1. This minus and minus, that will become plus. Okay, minus x square minus 4xi plus 4 is equals to 0. Multiply on both sides by minus 1. किंवा sign change करा तुम्ही. Plus a minus and minus a plus. It means I multiply on both sides by minus 1. Okay. If we multiply the whole equation by minus 1, that is minus 1 in bracket minus x square minus 4xi plus 4, and that's equals to 0. Therefore, you will get x square plus 4xi minus 4 is equals to 0. Again, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 1, b is 4i, c is minus 4. B square minus 4ac, and that's equals to 4i bracket square minus 4 into 1 into minus 4. Okay. 4i bracket square means what? 16i square. And minus 4 into plus 4, minus 4, 16. Again, you will get minus 16 plus 16, that's equals to 0. Okay. So the equation has the complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Okay. What is value? The value of b is 4i, and that's why it has a complex root. Okay. X is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. इथे b ची व्हॅल्यू टाकणार, that is a 4i. b square minus 4ac value 0 आली, root of 0 is 0. Therefore minus 4i upon 2. म्हणजे किती मिळेल तुम्हाला? Minus 2i, and hence the roots of these equations is x is equals to minus 2i. Now the question number 4. Solve the following quadratic equation. X square minus in bracket 2 plus I bracket complete into x minus in bracket 1 minus 7i, that's equals to 0. Again, comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. The value of a is 1, b is minus in bracket 2 plus I, c is minus in bracket 1 minus 7i. Okay. b square minus 4ac याची व्हॅल्यू काढूया. Okay. In square bracket minus in bracket 2 plus I bracket square minus 4a is 1 and c is again minus in bracket 1 minus 7i. Okay. Now here minus 2 times in bracket 2 plus I bracket square means what? 2 plus I bracket square. 2 plus I, here is a bracket square. Minus 4 into this minus, that will become plus 4 in bracket 1 minus 7i. Okay. 2 plus I bracket square means what? 2 square. Means you will get 4 plus 4i plus I square plus 4 minus 28i. Okay. Next is a 4 plus 4 plus 4. Then you will get 8 plus 4i minus 28i. Then you will get minus 24i. I square means what? Minus 1. Okay. And then first you will get 7 minus 24i. Okay. Now see this here. Therefore b square minus 4ac is equals to 7 minus 24i. Okay. So the given equation has complex roots. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. The value of b is minus in bracket minus 2 plus I. The value of b is a minus in bracket 2 plus I. Therefore, इथे काय minus minus ते plus होणार. Plus or minus in root of 7 minus 24i. आता पुन्हा आपल्याला 7 minus 24i याचा स्क्वेअर रूट फाइंड आउट करावा लागणार आहे. Okay, now we have to find in root of 7 minus 24i. P plus qi is equals to in root of 7 minus 24i, where p comma q belongs to set of real number. Okay, now this is just like the question number 1. Squaring on both sides, then you will get p plus qi bracket square is equals to 7 minus 24i. Now expanding this, p plus qi, p square plus q square I square plus 2pqi is equals to 7 minus 24i. Now I square is minus 1. Okay, therefore p square minus q square, this is the real part. And what about here complex part? 2pqi, that is equals to 7 minus 24i. Equating the real and imaginary part, therefore you will get p square minus q square is equals to 7. 2pqi is equals to minus 24i. Okay, this I will get cancelled. Pq is equals to minus 12. Therefore q is equals to minus 12 upon p. Okay. Substitute the value of this q in this equation. P square minus q square is equals to 7. इथे टाकणार ती value. Therefore you will get p square minus in bracket minus 12 upon p bracket square is equals to 7. Okay. Therefore p square minus 12 upon p bracket square means what? 144 upon p square is equals to 7. Multiply this expression by p square. Then you will get p square into p square, p raised to 4. Here p square into 144 upon p square. That p square get cancelled. And on the right hand side, 7 into p square, you will get 7p square. Therefore, this equation can be written as, therefore here you will get p raised to 4 minus 144 is equals to 7p square. आता 7p square आपण हा left hand side ला आणणार, p raised to 4 minus 7p square minus 144 and that's equals to 0. Okay. Puna, this is the quadratic equation, that is a p raised to 4 minus 16 p square plus 9 p square minus 144 and that's equals to 0. Therefore, you can take p square as a common. Then in bracket, you will get p square minus 60 plus 9 common. Then in bracket, you will get p square minus 60 and that's equals to 0. Okay. And therefore, p square minus 60, second bracket, p square plus 9 is equals to 0. P square minus 16 is equals to 0. P square minus 16 is equals to 0. Or p square plus 9 is equals to 0. P square is equals to 16. P square is equals to minus 9. P is real. And hence the square of any real number is always positive. Therefore, p square is equals to 9 is not possible. Therefore, p square is not equals to minus 9. मग काय शक्य आहे? p square is equals to 16. Taking the square root, you will get p is equals to plus or minus 4. Again, when p is equals to 4, but what about the q? q म्हणजे काय? Minus 12 upon p. And therefore, substitute the value. p ची value किती आहे? 4 आहे. That is a minus 12 upon 4. You will get q is equals to minus 3. And hence p plus qi is equals to 4 minus 3i. Therefore, p plus qi is equals to 4 minus 3i. When p is equals to minus 4, q is equals to minus 12 upon p. The value of p is minus 4. Q is equals to minus 12 upon minus 4. Q is equals to 3. Therefore, p plus qi is equals to minus 4 plus 3i. Okay. And therefore, root of 7 minus 24i. Okay. Root of 7 minus 24i. Okay. And that is equals to, see this here, plus or minus in bracket 4 minus 3i. आधी काय आलं तर 4 minus 3i. नंतर किती आले? minus 4 plus 3i. You can take minus plus or minus 4 minus 3i. Now again we have x is equals to 2 plus I plus or minus in root of 7 minus 24i upon 2 into 1. Okay, 2 plus I. आता याचे रूट आपण काढलेले आहेत ऑलरेडी. प्लस और मायनस 4 मायनस रे, एकदा प्लस घेणार एकदा मायनस घेणार. 2 plus I plus in bracket 4 minus 3i upon 2 and 2 plus I minus in bracket 4 minus 3i upon 2. Okay, 4 plus 2, that is a 6, plus I minus 3i minus 2i upon 2. Okay, You can take 2 as a common, or 6 upon 2, you will get here 3. Minus 2i upon 2, you will get minus 1, minus I. Okay, next 2 minus 4, you will get minus 2. Plus I and plus 3i, you will get 4i upon 2. पुन्हा याला डिवाइड करणार, minus 2 upon 2, minus 1. 4i upon 2, you will get 2i. Okay, therefore the roots of equation x square minus in bracket 2 plus I into x minus in bracket 1 minus 7i is equals to 0. The roots are 3 minus I and minus 1 plus 2i. These are the roots. Biggest example. पुन्हा तुम्ही ते बघू शकता इथे सर्व. Okay. Now the next example, x square minus in bracket 3 root 2 plus 2i bracket complete into x plus 6 root 2i, that's equals to 0. Now the solution, comparing the equation x square minus in bracket 3 root 2 plus 2i bracket complete into x plus 6 root 2i, that's equals to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 1, b is minus in bracket 3 root 2 plus 2i, c is equals to 6 root 2i. Okay. Again b square minus 4ac म्हणजे याचा स्क्वेअर करणार, याला ऑलरेडी साइन कसं आहे तर मायनस आहे, स्क्वेअर करताना ते कसं होणार तर प्लस होणार. दॅट इज हियर यू विल गेट 3 root 2 plus 2i and it's a whole square. पुन्हा या दोघांचं मल्टिप्लिकेशन इथे 4 into 1 4, 4 into 6 you will get 24. Okay, minus 24 root 2i. Okay, 3 root 2 plus 2i bracket square. पुन्हा एक्सपान्शन करणार, 3 root 2 चा स्क्वेअर किती येणार, that is a, here is a 3 root 2, it's a square plus 2 into 3 root 2 into 2i plus 2i bracket square minus 24 root 2i. 3 root 2 चा स्क्वेअर, 3 चा स्क्वेअर किती आला तर 9, 9 into 2 18, and that's why here is 18. Next is a 3 into 2 6, 6 into 2 12, 12 root 2i, 12 root 2i. Okay, next is a 4i square, 4i square, and the multiplication is a minus 24 root 2i. Okay, now next is 4i square means what, I square is minus 1, therefore 18 minus 4, it is a 18 minus 4. Next is a 12 root 2i and minus 24 root 2i, then you will get minus 12 root 2i. Okay, and therefore the 18 minus 4 means 14. Therefore b square minus 4ac, that's equals to 14 minus 12 root 2i. This is, so the given equation has a complex root. These roots are given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. A is 1, b is minus in bracket 3 root 2 plus 2i. B square minus 4ac is 14 minus 12 root 2i. Substitute the values. Okay, here minus and minus, that will become plus. Okay, आपला फॉर्म्युला कसा असतो, x is equals to minus b and here minus, ते प्लस झालं आणि b square minus 4ac, it's a 14 minus 12 root 2i upon 2 into 1. Now again here we will find out the root of 14 minus 12 root 2i, that is equals to p plus qi, where p q belongs to set of real numbers squaring on both sides. p plus qi bracket square is equals to 14 minus 12 root 2i. Okay, दोन्ही बाजूला स्क्वेअर करणार. आता p plus qi चे एक्सपान्शन करणार. What is that? A plus b bracket square नुसार p square plus q square I square, then 2 times pq into I, that is equals to 14 minus 12 root 2 I. Okay. आता पुन्हा real and imaginary part. What is that? I square? I square is minus 1. Therefore, you will get p square minus q square. This is the real part. आता पुन्हा इथे काय? 2pqi हा imaginary part. Okay. इथे real part झाला हा. And this is the imaginary part. Therefore, p square minus q square म्हणजे काय? तर 14. And 2pqi is equals to minus 12 root 2i. Okay. Equating the real and imaginary parts separately, then you will get p square minus q square is equals to 14. 2pqi is equals to minus 12 root 2i. Okay, 2 ने इथे जर आपण डिवाइड केलं, i कट झाला, then here you will get pq is equals to minus 6 root 2. And what is a q? q is equals to minus 6 root 2 upon p. आता ही व्हॅल्यू आपण या एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये टाकणार. We will get the quadratic in p square. That is substitute here p square minus in bracket 6 root 2 upon p bracket square is equals to 14. मग याचा स्क्वेअर केला. 6 चा स्क्वेअर काय? 36. 36 into 2. 72 upon p square is equals to 14. Multiply on both sides by p square. मग काय मिळेल आपल्याला इथे? p raised to 4 minus 72 upon p square into p square. p square get cancelled. You will get minus 72. 14 into p square. Okay, हे quadratic equation आपल्याला इथे मिळते. मग काय मिळालं इक्वेशन? p raised to 4 minus 14 p square minus 72. Okay, multiplication किती आलं? Minus 72 p raised to 4. Okay, now what about this middle term? Middle term is a minus 14 p square. आता टर्म्स कसे आहेत बघा. Multiplication minus 72 p raised to 4 पाहिजे. Means what? Minus 18 इथे किती येणार? p square plus 4 p square. Minus 18 p square plus 4 p square. That is the minus 14 p square. आणि या दोघांचं multiplication minus 72 p raised to 4. Then for what are the factors? P square minus 18 and p square plus 4. That's equals to 0. Okay. आता हे तुम्हाला आलं पाहिजे. That is p raised to 4 minus 18 p square plus 4 p square minus 72. That's equals to 0. यातनं p square जर कॉमन काढला, then in bracket you will get p square minus 18. यातनं 4 कॉमन काढला, then in bracket you will get p square minus 18. Okay. And hence this are the factors. Okay. पुन्हा p square minus 18 is equals to 0 or p square plus 4 is equals to 0. Therefore, p square is equals to 18, p square is equals to minus 4. Again, p is a real number, its square is not negative. Therefore, p square is not equals to minus 4. मग p square is equals to काय घ्यायचा? ते 18. Taking the square root on both sides, p is equals to plus or minus root of 18. 18 कसा लिहिणार? 9 into 2. 9 चं स्क्वेअर रूट किती आलं? तर 3 आलं. दॅट इज अ प्लस ऑर मायनस 3 रूट 2. एकदा कसं घेणार? तर प्लस घेणार, एकदा मायनस घेणार. When p is equals to 3 root 2, q is equals to minus 6 root 2 upon p. इथे q ची व्हॅल्यू दिली आपल्याला. What is q? Minus 6 root 2 upon p. Substitute the value. p. p किती आहे? तर 3 root 2. 3 root 2 याला डिव्हिजन देणार. रूट 2 इथे कट झाला. 3 1 चा आणि 3 2 चा 6. q is equals to minus 2. Therefore, the p plus qi is 3 root 2 minus 2i. This is the first. When p is equals to minus 3 root 2 and q is equals to minus 6 root 2 upon p, पुन्हा ती व्हॅल्यू टाकणार. हे दोन्ही ते कट होणार. 3 1 चा आणि 3 2 चा 6. Minus minus division, you will get plus q is equals to 2. Okay. And therefore, p plus qi is equals to minus 3 root 2 plus 2i. Okay. And hence, the root of 14 minus 12 root 2i is equals to p plus qi. तर आपण इथे कसं घेणार? 3 root 2 minus 2i आणि इथे किती? minus 3 root 2 plus 2i. That is nothing but the plus or minus 3 root 2 minus 2i. Okay, bracket complete. Okay, म्हणजे याची इथे व्हॅल्यू सबस्टिट्यूट करणार. plus or minus 3 root 2 minus 2i. एकदा plus, एकदा minus. If you take the plus sign, then 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2, you will get 6 root 2. Plus 2i minus 2i get cancelled. 6 root 2 upon 2. What you will get? 2 1 7 and 2 3 6. 3 root 2 3 into root 2. Okay, what about here? इथे ब्रॅकेट जर ओपन केला तर 3 root 2 minus 3 root 2 will get cancel. Plus 2i आणि हे minus minus plus होणार. You will get 4i. 4i upon 2. Then you will get 2i. And therefore, the roots of this equation is 3 root 2 and 2i. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही बघू शकता. Big one. त्याच टाईपचे प्रॉब्लेम्स आहेत. ओके, भरपूर स्टेप्स आहेत त्यामध्ये. नाउ नेक्स्ट problem number 3. Now the next problem, x square minus in bracket 5 minus I bracket complete into x plus 18 plus I, that's equals to 0. Again comparing this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. A is 1, b is minus in bracket 5 minus I, c is 18 plus I. We'll find out the value of b square minus 4ac. That is minus in bracket 5 minus I bracket square minus 4 into 1 into 18 plus I. आता या मायनसचा स्क्वेअर म्हणजे काय ना 5 मायनस आय ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. ओके, मग 5 मायनस आय ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर प्लस 4 into 1 4 into 18 minus 72 4 into I, that is a minus 4i. Okay, and expansion of this 5 minus I bracket square, that is equals to 25 middle term minus 10i plus I square. I square is minus 1. 25 minus 10i plus I square minus 72 minus 4i. I square means what? Minus 1. 25 minus 1. Okay, then you will get 24 plus 24 minus 72. You will get minus 48. And what about the I terms? Here minus 10i and here minus 40. You will get minus 14i. Okay. पुन्हा नंतर नेक्स्ट मायनस साइन आपण इथे कॉमन काढलं. That is minus in bracket 48 plus 49. Therefore, the roots are the complex roots. Roots of the given equation is a complex. The roots are given by the formula x is equals to minus b plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a minus in bracket 5 minus I bracket complete plus or minus in root of minus in bracket 48 plus 49. Okay, upon 2. ये minus and minus क्या होना था plus होना. Okay, that is x is equals to 5 minus I plus or minus in root of minus in bracket 48 plus 49 upon 2 into 1, that is it. पुन्हा आता याचा square root find out करणार in root of minus in bracket 48 plus 49. Okay, that is equals to p plus qi, squaring on both sides. Therefore, you will get p plus qi bracket square is equals to minus 48 plus 49. Okay, that's an expansion करना p square plus q square I square plus 2pqi minus 48 minus 49. Okay, now what is I square is minus 1. Therefore, p square minus q square, this is the real part. Imaginary part is a 2pqi is equals to minus 48 minus 49. Okay, equate करना p square minus q square is equals to minus 48. 2pqi is equals to minus 14. Therefore, pq is equals to minus 7. Q is equals to minus 7 upon p. Substitute the value of this q in this expression. P square minus in bracket minus 7 upon p bracket square is equals to minus 48. पुन्हा याचा square किती आला 49 upon p square. Multiply on both sides by p square. Therefore, you will get p raised to 4 minus 49 is equals to minus 48 p square. Okay, minus 48 p square upon left hand side lana, then it will become positive. Therefore, p raised to 4 plus 48 p square minus 49 is equals to 0. पुन्हा याचे factors. Okay, factors किती येणार? That is a p raised to 4 plus 49 p square minus p square and minus 49, and that's equals to 0. या दोघांतनं कॉमन किती येणार? तर p square, then in bracket p square plus 49 and minus 1 is common from here. P square plus 49 bracket complete, and that's equals to 0. p square plus 49, p square plus 49. Okay, p square plus 49 in first bracket. In second bracket, p square minus 1, and that's equals to 0. Okay, and hence p square plus 49 is equals to 0, and p square minus 1 is equals to 0. P square is equals to minus 49, p square is equals to 1. Okay, now p is a real number, therefore p square is not equals to minus 49. Okay, therefore p is equals to 1. After taking the square root, you will get p is equals to plus or minus 1. Now what about the q? Q म्हणजे काय? The minus 7 upon p. Therefore, p, when p is 1, q is equals to minus 7 upon p. P was 1. Therefore, q is minus 7. Therefore, p plus qi is 1 minus 7i. This is first. Again, p is equals to minus 1. q is equals to minus 7 upon p. पण p ची व्हॅल्यू किती इथं minus 1 आहे. Minus 7 upon minus 1, that is a plus. q is equals to 7, and therefore the another root is a minus 1 plus 7i. Okay, हे दोन्ही combine करणार. Okay, plus or minus in bracket 1 minus 7i. Therefore, the root of minus in bracket 48 plus 49 is equals to p plus qi is equals to plus or minus in bracket 1 minus 7i. Okay, now the roots of the given equations is x is equals to in bracket 5 minus I plus or minus in root of minus 48 plus 49 upon 2 into 1. Okay, 5 minus I plus or minus. मग याचा स्क्वेअर रूट किती आलं? प्लस और मायनस इन ब्रॅकेट 1 minus 7i upon 2. एकदा प्लस घेणार आणि एकदा मायनस. ओके, x is equals to 5 minus I plus in bracket 1 minus 7i upon 2, and x is equals to 5 minus I minus in bracket 1 minus 7i. Bracket open केला. What will happen? Here is a minus 1 plus 7i upon 2. Okay, a plus आहे. 5 plus 1, you will get 6. Minus 1 minus 7i minus 8i upon 2. What about here? 5 minus 1, you will get 4. Minus 1 plus 7i, you will get 6i upon 2. 6 upon 2, you will get 3. Minus 8i upon 2, you will get minus 4i. 4 upon 2, you will get 2. 6i upon 2, you will get 3i. Okay, and hence the root of x square minus in bracket 2 plus I into x minus in bracket 1 minus 7i, that's equals to 0. The roots of this quadratic equation are 3 minus 4i and 2 plus 3i. Okay, बिग वन एक्सप्रेशन्स आहेत, परंतु त्याच प्रकारच्या इथे स्टेप्स घेतलेल्या आहेत, म्हणून तुम्हाला ते एक्सप्रेशन सोपे जातील. ओके, पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे एकदा बघू शकता इथे. ओके, नाउ दी नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल. ओके, 2 plus I into x square minus 5 in bracket 5 minus I bracket complete into x plus 2 in bracket 1 minus I, that's equals to 0. Again, comparing this expression with ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Value of a is 2 plus I, b is minus in bracket 5 minus I, c is equals to 2 in bracket 1 minus I, b square minus 4ac. Okay, पुन्हा याची value, the value of b is a minus in square bracket minus 5 minus I bracket square minus 4 a into c. Okay, that is 4 in bracket 2 plus I into 2 in bracket 1 minus I. तर पुन्हा याचा स्क्वेअर करताना हे कसं होणार, ते पॉझिटिव्ह होणार. 5 minus I bracket square means what? 25 minus 10i plus I square. पुन्हा हे मल्टिप्लिकेशन 4 into 2 8. Okay, 2 plus I into 1 minus I. 2 into 1, you will get 2. 2 into minus I, you will get minus 2i. 1 into I into 1, that is I, and I into minus I, you will get minus I square. Okay, next 25 minus 10i, I square means what? Minus 1. Minus 8, here is a 2. Minus 2i plus I, minus I. I square means what? Minus 1. And पुन्हा हा minus, that will become plus. Okay, minus in bracket minus 1, you will get plus 1 here. Next, 25 minus 1, you will get 24 minus 10i. And what about here? 2 plus 1, 3. 3 into 8, then you will get 3 into minus 8, you will get minus 24. Again minus 8 into minus I, minus that will become plus. आता पुढे बघा, plus 24 minus 24 get cancelled. Minus 10i plus 8i, you will get minus 2i. Okay, so the given equation has the complex root. These roots are again given by x is equals to minus b plus or minus. In root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a, the value of b is minus 5 minus I, and therefore this minus and minus that will become plus. Okay, b ची व्हॅल्यू किती आहे? तर minus in bracket 5 minus I, पण आपला b इथे minus असतो, therefore that minus and minus that will become plus. Okay, plus or minus in root of b square minus 4ac. Okay, and now we will find out the root of minus 2i. Now p plus qi is equals to root of minus 2i, where p comma q belongs to set of real numbers. Squaring on both sides, p plus qi आणि इथे किती असणार आहे तर तो ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर. ओके, p plus qi ब्रॅकेट स्क्वेअर इज इक्वल्स टू minus 2i. याचं एक्सपान्शन करणार, p स्क्वेअर प्लस q स्क्वेअर i स्क्वेअर प्लस 2pqi is equals to minus 2i. Okay, I square means what? Minus 1. P square minus q square, 2pqi is equals to minus 2i. Equating the real and imaginary part, p square minus q square is equals to 0. Okay, this is the first one. 2pqi is equals to minus 2i. 2 get cancelled. You will get pq is equals to, see this here, pq is equals to minus 1. Therefore, q is equals to minus 1 upon p. Okay, q is equals to minus 1 upon p. Substitute this value in this expression, p square minus q square is equals to 0. Therefore, p square minus in bracket minus 1 upon p bracket square is equals to 0. Okay, p raised to 4 pi p square. Okay, here is a p square. P square minus 1 upon p square is equals to 0. Multiply on both sides by p square. P square into p square, you will get p raised to 4. P square into 1 upon p square get cancelled, you will get 1. P raised to 4 minus 1 is equals to 0. पुन्हा याचे factors. What are the factors? A raised to 4 minus b raised to 4 यानुसार. Then what you will get? That is a square minus b square in first bracket. In second bracket, a square plus b square. Okay. Similarly here, 1 raised to 4 means what? P square minus 1. Second bracket, p square plus 1, that's equals to 0. P square minus 1 is equals to 0. See this here. P square minus 1 is equals to 0 and p square plus 1 is equals to 0. Therefore, p square is equals to 1 and p square, and that is equals to minus 1. But this is not possible. Okay, the square of real number is always positive. Therefore, p square is not equals to minus 1. मग काय शक्य आहे? p square is equals to 1. Taking the square root, p is equals to plus or minus 1. एकदा plus 1 घ्यायचा. But what is the q? q is minus 1 upon p. Therefore, q is equals to minus 1 upon 1. That is minus 1. Therefore, when p is 1, q is minus 1. Therefore, p plus qi is equals to 1 minus I. And when p is equals to minus 1, q is equals to minus 1 upon p. P is minus 1, minus that will become plus. Okay. And hence the root are minus 1 plus I. Therefore, मग roots किती असतील याचे? That is a 1 minus I, minus 1 plus I. Therefore, root of minus 2I is equals to plus or minus in bracket 1 minus I. Therefore, the roots are given by again x is equals to minus, x is equals to in bracket minus b म्हणजे minus 1 is ते plus झालेलं आहे. ओके, see this here. याची व्हॅल्यू टाकणार आपण इथे. ओके, that is a 5 minus I plus or minus in bracket 1 minus I upon 4 plus 2I. एकदा plus घेणार, एकदा minus घेणार. x is equals to 5 minus I plus 1 minus I upon 4 plus 2I. Okay, and x is equals to 5 minus I minus in bracket 1 minus I upon 4 plus 2I. पुन्हा हे simplify करणार. 5 plus 1, you will get 6. Minus 1 minus 2I upon 4 plus 2I. Next, x is equals to, पुन्हा हा bracket open करणार. इथे मायनस आहे, इथे प्लस आहे, दॅट विल गेट कॅन्सल. 5 minus 1 4, 4 upon 4 plus 2i. पुन्हा यातनं 2 काय करणार, कॉमन घेणार किंवा सिम्प्लिफाय करणार. Therefore you will get 2 upon, you can take this is the 4, take 2 as a common, then in bracket you will get 2 plus I. This 2 1s are 1 and 2 2s are 4. That is a 2 upon 2 plus I. पुन्हा हे सिम्प्लिफाय करणार, मल्टिप्लाय the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of 2 plus I. Therefore 3 minus I upon 2 plus I into 2 minus I upon 2 minus I. पुन्हा यांचं एक्सपान्शन करणार, 2 minus I into 2 plus I. 2 into 3 6. 3 into minus I minus 3I. Minus 1 into 2 minus 2I. Minus I into minus I plus I square. A plus B, A minus B means what? A square minus B square means what? 2 square minus I square. Okay. आता पुढे 6 as it is, minus 3I minus 2I minus 5I. I square means what? Minus 1. Minus 1 here. 6 minus 1, you will get 5. 5 minus 5I upon 5. Okay. Therefore, take the 5 as a common, or 5 upon 5 is 1. Minus 5 upon 5, you will get minus I. Therefore, the first root is, first the value of x is a 1 minus I. What about the second? इथे देखील याला कॉन्जुगेटने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. x is equals to 2 upon 2 plus I. Okay. And this is the 2 upon 2 plus I. Multiplied with its conjugate. Therefore, 2 minus I ने n and d ला मल्टिप्लाय करणार. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into minus I, minus 2I. 2 plus I, 2 minus I. 4, 2 square minus I square. I square is minus 1. And that minus and minus, that will become plus. 4 plus 1, 5. Therefore, split up this 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5 into I. या प्रकारे. Okay. इथे कॉन्जुगेटने मल्टिप्लाय करणार. You will get this. And here's the value of x is 4 by 5 minus 2 by 5i. And these are the roots of the given equation. ही सर्व प्रकारचे एक्झाम्पल्स पुन्हा पुन्हा त्याच प्रकारच्या स्टेप्स आहेत. अतिशय शांतपणे कोणत्याही प्रकारची सिली मिस्टेक या ठिकाणी होणार नाही याची काळजी घेतली गेली पाहिजे. अदरवाइज एक्झाम्पल्स इझी आहेत. I had explained in a very simple language. Okay. Now the next, find the value of. Now the question number 5. Find the value of x cube minus x square plus x plus 45u if x is equals to 2 plus 3i. Okay. Now the solution. या पॉलिनॉमियलची आपल्याला व्हॅल्यू फाइंड आउट करायची आहे when x is equals to 2 plus 3i. पण त्याआधी आपल्याला डायरेक्ट x ची व्हॅल्यू या पॉलिनॉमियल मध्ये टाकता येणार नाही. We'll solve this expression first of all. X is equals to 2 plus 3i. Therefore, x minus 2 is equals to 3i. Squaring on both sides, then you will get x minus 2 bracket square is equals to 3i bracket square. X minus 2 bracket square means what? X square minus 4x plus 4 is equals to 9i square. I square means what? Minus 1. Therefore, it is a minus 9. पुन्हा minus 9 हा left hand side ला आणणार. Therefore, you will get x square minus 4x plus 13 and that's equals to 0. Okay. Next, now we divide this polynomial, that is x cube minus x square plus x plus 46 by x cube minus 4x plus 13. Okay. आता इथे आपण हे डिव्हिजन तयार करणार. Now see this here. Okay. Change the ink of the pen. Here is the x raised to 3 minus x square plus x plus 46. And here x square minus 4x plus 30. Okay. Now for this division, consider the first term x cube and consider the first term of this. Okay. Divisor, that is the x square. To get the x cube, we have to multiply this x square by x, and that's why we are writing here x. इथलं पहिलं टर्म आपण आधी विचारात घेणार. ते किती येतं? x क्यूब आहे. या x स्क्वेअर मायनस 4x प्लस 13 ला कुठल्या टर्मने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला x क्यूब मिळणार. प्रत्येकदा पहिल्या टर्मचाच विचार करणार. आणि या x ला x क्यूब x स्क्वेअर ला x ने मल्टिप्लाइड केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला x क्यूब मिळेल. Therefore we will multiply this polynomial x square minus 4x plus 13 by x. Okay. Therefore here you will get first term as a x cube. प्रत्येकदा पहिल्या टर्मचाच विचार करणार. x into x square you will get x cube minus 4x square. Okay. Next is a x into 13, then you will get 13x. Okay. पुढे इथे डिव्हिजन करताना साइन चेंज करणार, minus plus, and again here you will get the minus. Plus x cube minus x cube 0, minus x square plus 4x square, then you will get 3x square. Okay. Plus x minus 13, then here you will get minus. Okay. 12x. Okay. Plus x minus 13, you will get minus 12x plus 46. Again consider the first term. Again the first term is the 3x square. Therefore we have to multiply this x square by plus 3, then you will get 3x square. Therefore here we will multiply all these term by 3. या 3 ने सर्व टर्म्स ला इथे मल्टिप्लाय करणार आपण. ओके. या टाइपचं डिव्हिजन तुम्ही 7th आणि 8th 9th स्टँडर्ड ला लर्न केलंय. 3 into x square, therefore you will get 3x square. Okay. 3 into minus 12 minus 4x, then you will get minus 12x. 3 into 13, you will get 39. पुन्हा डिव्हिजन करताना आपण काय साइन चेंज करतो. दिस इज द माइनस प्लस and again minus. Okay. And therefore plus 3x square minus 3x square get cancel. A 0 plus 12x minus 12x also get cancel. 46 minus 39, you will get plus 7. Okay. Therefore what is the quotient? Quotient is x plus 3 and divisor is a x square minus 4x plus 13. Now by the division algorithm, see this here. By the division algorithm, we have dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. X cube minus x square plus x plus 46, and that is equals to x square minus 4x plus 13. Okay. This is the divisor. Quotient is x plus 3. See this here, x plus 3. Okay. And the remainder is 7. The value of x square minus 4x plus 13 is 0. 0 into x plus 3 is 0 plus 7. 0 plus 7 is 7. And hence the value of the polynomial x cube minus x square plus x plus 46 is 7. पुन्हा तुम्ही एकदा इथे बघू शकता. Okay. Now the next, see this here. Now the next problem. 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27 if x is equals to 25 upon 3 minus 4i. Okay. Here x is equals to 25 upon 3 minus 4i. Multiply the conjugate of 3 minus 4i, which is 3 plus 4i, to the numerator and denominator. Okay. Therefore 25 in bracket 3 plus 4i upon 3 minus 4i into 3 plus 4i means what? A minus b, a plus b. Then you will get a square minus b square. 3 square is 9 minus b square means what? 4i bracket square. Means what? 69 square. I square is minus 1. And therefore you will get 9 plus 16, and that is a 25. Okay. Therefore 25 in bracket 3 plus 4i upon किती आलं? तर ते 25. हा वरचा 25 खालचा 25 that will get cancelled. I will again write here 25 in bracket 3 plus 4i and this whole divided by 25. Okay. This 25 and 25 get cancelled, and therefore you will get x is equals to 3 plus 4i. पुन्हा 3 पलीकडे जाऊ देणार. x minus squaring on both sides. X minus 3 bracket square is equals to 4i bracket square. You will get x square minus 6x plus 9 is equals to 16 square. I square is minus 1. Therefore, x square minus 6x. हा minus 16 पुन्हा पलीकडे जाऊ देणार, तो प्लस होणार. 9 plus 16 you will get 25. x square minus 6x plus 25 that's equals to 0. पुन्हा आता इथे पण मग अशी केलं त्या प्रकारचं इथे डिव्हिजन बघणार. ओके, 2x cube minus 11x square plus 44x plus 27 is divided by x square minus 6x plus 25. Now consider the first term 2x cube. Then to get the 2x cube, we have to multiply this x square by 2x. प्रत्येकदा या पहिल्या टर्मचा विचार करणार. इथे 2x cube आहे, इथे x square आहे. या x square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय केल्यानंतर आपल्याला 2x cube मिळेल. That is 2x into x square. Then you will get 2x cube. Again 2x minus 6x. You will get minus 12x square. Okay. Again 2x into 25. You will get plus 50x. Okay. Next, this is the minus plus again minus. 2x cube minus 2x cube, it cancel. Minus 11x square plus 12x square. You will get x square. Plus 44x minus 50x. Then you will get minus 6x. And lastly, plus 7. Now again to get the x square, we have to multiply this x square by 1. पुन्हा आपल्याला इथे x square पाहिजे, म्हणून या x square ला कशाने मल्टिप्लाय करणार? 1 नेच मल्टिप्लाय करणार. प्रत्येकदा आपण या पहिल्या टर्म कसं मिळेल याचा विचार करणार. हे फर्स्ट टर्म and this first term. To get the x square, we have to multiply here x square by 1. Therefore, 1 into x square, you will get x square. 1 into minus 6x, you will get minus 6x. 1 into 25, you will get 25. Now subtraction. Minus, plus, and again minus. Okay. Plus x square minus x square get cancelled. With 0 plus 0. 27 minus 25. And here you will get plus 2. Okay, the remainder is 2. Again by the division algorithm. See this here. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Okay. Therefore, this is the dividend. X square minus 6x plus 25. This is the divisor. What about the quotient? Quotient is a 2x plus 1. Here is a 2x plus 1. Remainder is 2. The value of x square minus 6x plus 25. Actual value kiti hai? The 0. 0 into 2x plus 1. You will get 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. And hence the value of the polynomial 2x raised to 4 minus 11x cube plus 44x plus 27 is 2. Its a value is 2. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकताय. Now the next question. X cube plus x square minus x plus 22 if x is equals to 5 upon 1 minus 2y. Okay. Multiplied n and d by again 1 plus 2y. Okay. याच्या कॉन्जुगेटने आपण मल्टिप्लाय करणार. Okay. Therefore 5 upon 1 minus 2y into 1 plus 2y upon 1 plus 2y. 5 in bracket 1 plus 2y. And what about here? A minus b, a plus b. Then here you will get a square minus b square. Means what? Minus 2i bracket square. Means what? 4i square. But what is I square? I square is minus 1. 4 into minus 1, you will get plus 4. 1 plus 4, you will get 5. Okay. And what about here? 5 in bracket 1 plus 2i. Puna इथे numerator denominator 5 na 5 get cancelled. You will get x is equals to 1 plus 2i. X minus 1 is equals to 2i. Squaring on both sides. X minus 1 bracket square is equals to 4i. 2i चा स्क्वेअर किती? तर 4i square. I square is -1. 4 into -1 you will get -4. x -1 bracket square means what? X square minus 2x plus 1. पुन्हा हा -4 आहे, तो इकडे अंतर कसं होणार? तर प्लस होणार. x square minus 2x. 1 plus 4 you will get 5. x square minus 2x plus 5 is equals to 0. Okay. आता पुन्हा इथे division. See this here. We'll divide the given polynomial. What is that polynomial? X cube plus x square minus x plus 25. X cube plus x square minus x, and last is the plus 22. What is here? Plus 22. And the divisor is a x square minus 2x plus 5. Again consider the first term. It is x cube. To get the x cube, we have to multiply this divisor by x. X ने multiply करावं लागणार आहे. X into x square, you will get here x cube. X into minus 2x, you will get minus 2x square. X into 5, you will get 5x. Again minus, there is a plus and minus. Plus x cube minus x cube cancel. X square plus 2x square, you will get 3x square. Okay. Plus x, sorry, minus x and minus 5x, you will get minus 6x. And lastly, plus 22. Again, to get the 3x square, we have to multiply this divisor by 3. Okay. इथलं पहिलं term consider करा. Consider the first term and first term. Therefore, to get the 3x square, we have to multiply x square by 3. Therefore, here is a 3x square. 3 into minus 2x, you will get minus 6x. 3 into 5, you will get 15. Okay. And hence, the change in their signs. Okay. This is the minus, plus, and again minus. Take it here, 0. Okay. Next, this is also 0. And last is 22 minus 15. Then here you will get plus 7. 7 is remainder. Okay. Again, by the division algorithm, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend is x cube plus x square minus x plus 22. Divisor is x square minus 2x plus 5. Quotient is x plus 3. Okay, plus 7. The value of this divisor is 0. 0 into x plus 3 is 0. 0 plus 7 is 7. And hence the value of the polynomial x cube plus x square minus x plus 22 is 7. Okay. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Now the next problem. X raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4. If x is equals to minus 5 plus root of minus 4. Again, x is equals to minus 5 plus root of minus 4. Root of minus 4 can be written as 4 into minus 1. Okay. And here is a minus 5 plus root of 4 is a 2, and root of minus 1 means what? I square. And therefore it is a root of I square means what? I. Therefore x is equals to minus 5 plus 2i. Okay. There is a x is equals to, we'll write here one more. Again here x is equals to minus 5 plus 2i. Okay. Therefore x plus 5 is equals to 2i. Squaring on both sides, then you will get x plus 5 bracket square is equals to 2i bracket square, that is equals to 4i square. पुन्हा हे expansion करना, that is x square plus 10x plus 25, that is equals to I square is minus 1, therefore overall it is a minus 4, and hence x square plus 10x 25 plus 4, that will be the 29, and hence therefore x square plus 10x plus 29, and that is equals to 0. Again x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 is divided by x square plus 10x plus 29. Okay, now see this here. Now the division, x raised to 4 plus 9x cube plus 35x square minus x plus 4 is divided by x square plus 10x plus 29. Now to get the x raised to 4, we have to multiply this divisor by x square. Therefore, x square into x square, you will get x raised to 4. X square into 10x, then you will get 10x cube. Okay, x square into 29, you will get 29 x square. Okay, again the change the sign, minus, minus, minus. X raised to 4 minus x raised to 4, here you will get 0. 9x cube minus 10x cube, you will get minus x cube. 35x square plus, sorry, minus 29x square. See this here, 35 x square minus 29, then you will get plus 6x square minus x, and lastly plus 4. Again to get the x cube, we have to multiply this x square by minus x. Therefore minus x into minus x into x square, you will get minus x cube, minus x into plus 10x, you will get minus 10x square, minus x into plus 29, you will get minus 29x. Okay, again change the sign, here the plus, again plus, and here plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. 6x square plus 10x square, you will get 16x square. Okay, next minus x and plus 29x, you will get 28x, and lastly plus 4. Again we will multiply here. To get the 16x square, we have to multiply x square by 16. Therefore I will write here plus 16. Okay, therefore here you will get 16x square. Okay, into again 16 into 10x, then you will get 160x. 16 into 29, therefore you will get plus 464. Okay, again the subtraction, change the sign minus, here is a minus and minus, and overall you will get here the plus and minus get cancelled here. Okay, next is a minus 132x. Okay, minus 460. This is the remainder, remainder. Okay, and this is the quotient divisor. Okay, now see this here, by the division algorithm, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The divisor is x square plus 10x plus 29, and the quotient is x square minus x plus 60. Okay. What about the remainder? Minus 32x minus 460. Okay. Now the value of this x square plus 10x plus 29 is 0. 0 into x square minus x plus 16. Overall it will be 0. See this here, minus 132x minus 460. Okay. Next we will substitute the value of x. The x is equals to minus 5 plus 2y. See this here, x is equals to minus 5 plus 2y. Okay. Therefore minus 132 in bracket minus 5 plus 2y minus 460. Punah multiplication. Minus minus will become plus 132 into 5, 660. Minus 132 into 2y, you will get minus 264i minus 460. Okay. 660 minus 460, you will get 200. And the minus work, okay. Here is a 264i. This is the value of the polynomial. पुन्हा तुम्ही इथे बघू शकता. Okay. It is here. Okay. Now the next problem. That is a 2x raised to 4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square minus x plus 41. If x is equals to minus 2 minus root 3i. X is equals to minus 2 minus root 3i. Okay, therefore x plus 2 is equals to minus root 3i. Squaring on both sides. X plus 2 bracket square is equals to minus root 3i bracket square. Root 3 minus root 3i bracket square. You will get 3i square. I square is minus 1. Therefore, you will get x square plus 4x plus 4. 3 into minus 1, you will get minus 3. Puna minus 3 ikade that will become plus. That is x square plus 4x plus 7. And that's equals to 0. Okay. Now we'll divide this given polynomial. That is a 2x raised to 4. I will write here 2x raised to 4 plus 5x cube plus 7x square minus x plus 41 by x square plus 4x plus 7. Now to get 2x raised to 4, we have to multiply this x square by 2x square. Okay, 2x square. Therefore 2x square into x square, you will get 2x raised to 4. Again 2x square into 4x, you will get 8x cube. 8x cube. Again 2x square into 7, you will get plus 14x square. Next the subtraction, minus, and here is a minus and minus. This 2x raised to 4, 2x raised to 4 get cancelled. 5x cube minus 8x cube, you will get minus 3x cube. 7x square minus 14x square, you will get minus 7x square. Next, minus x plus 41. Again, to get the minus 3x cube, we have to multiply here minus 3x. Therefore, minus 3x into x square, you will get minus 3x cube. Okay. Minus 3x into plus 4x, you will get minus 12x square. Okay. Minus 3x plus 7, you will get minus 21x. Okay. Again, we will change the sign. This is the plus 1, plus, and plus. Okay. Minus 3x cube plus 3x cube get cancelled. Minus 7x square plus 12x square, you will get 5x square. Okay. Minus 7x square plus 12x square, you will get 5x square. Minus x plus 21x, you will get, here is a 20x plus 41. Again, to get the 5x square, we have to multiply this x square by 5. Therefore, I will write here plus 5. Okay. and then you will get x square into 5, you will get 5x square. Okay, next 4x into 5, you will get 20x. Okay, and lastly plus 7 into 5, you will get 35. Again change the sign. Okay, here is a minus, minus, and last is a minus. Overall here is a 0 plus 0. Okay, plus 6. The 6 is a remainder, and therefore see this here. Dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. The dividend is equals to 2x raised to 4 plus 5x cubed plus 7x square minus x plus 41. That is, the divisor is x square plus 4x plus 7, and the quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Remainder is plus 6. But the value of this polynomial is 0. 0 into this polynomial is 0. And overall you will get 0 plus 6, that is equals to 6. And hence the value of the polynomial is a 6. Okay, you can see this again. And this was the biggest exercise. Okay, now we'll see in the next video. Till then, goodbye.